This is the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 7. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. It says, be ye not troubled, for such things must be, but the end shall not be. This is the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 8. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and there shall be famines and troubles. These are the beginning sorrows. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem, Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wahakim, Wahakroth, I say Shalom. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Mashiach, Yahweh Shai. And I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out from November 12, 2023 at 5:28 p.m. Eastern Time, and it reads, this is Philippia Daniel, was published by from the Associated Press. It says Russia ramps up attacks on key eastern Ukraine city of Bakhmut. And keep this in mind, I forgot that area, like day before yesterday, like the Kyiv region. You had Ukraine over there in that area. Russia renewed their attacks over there as well too. So keep that in mind. It says Russia ramps up attacks on the key eastern Ukraine city of Bakhmut and Avdiivka. It says Russian forces have ramped up attacks in eastern Ukraine in an attempt to gain. All right, sorry about that. It says Russian forces has ramped up attacks in eastern Ukraine in the attempts to gain access to key frontline cities. It says that Ukraine official Sunday. It says Moscow troops has begun a push to regain territories near Bakhmut, the eastern mining city that was the site of the bloodiest battle before falling into Russia's hand in the month of May, which was a couple of months ago. It says the head of the Ukrainian ground forces wrote a telegram messaging app. It says Ukrainian troops have recaptured the heights of Bakhmut and the main sun advances west and north. In the south of the city, Kyiv launched its summer counter-offense. It says towards Bakhmut, Russia has become more active and trying to recapture previous lost positions. Enemy attacks are being repelled. It says Colonel General Alexei Sariki wrote in a telegram update on Sunday afternoon, and it says a Russian defense ministry spokesman said on Sunday that Russian forces over the previous day repelled 5 Ukrainian attacks near the Kalsivskaya and Kuristov, if I pronounced that right. It says a small settlements. It says lying south of Bakhmut. Lieutenant General Ergar Koneskov made a claim that the latest regular press briefing. And it says Ukraine's only counteroffense has far resulted in only an increment gains and heavy losses in Ukraine troops. Struggles to punch through the Russian lines in the south. Meanwhile, Moscow forces has attempted to press forward in the northeast and likely to view the distress of the district Kyiv and minimize the number of troops Ukraine is able to send the key southern and eastern battles. Get back to that Luke 21 verse 9 again. Go to verse 7. This is the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 7, and it reads to all the scriptures. And when ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars, be ye not troubled, for such things must need be, but the end shall not be it. This is Mark, chapter 13, verse 8. And it reads, for nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and there shall be famines and troubles. These are the beginning sorrows. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying. This recent news article from PBS.org as of November 12th, 2023 at 5:28 p.m. Eastern Time. And it reads again, Russia ramps up attack on key eastern Ukraine cities, Bakhmut and Avdiivka. If I pronounced that right, my apologies. So that once again, hopefully this lesson was edifying of this recent news article. And with that, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Hashem, Shalom.